Hey everybody, Nathan with Images by Nathan. Today I'm talking about something new that has come in my possession, and that is the Fuji X-T3 APC crop sensor mirrorless camera. And I am loving it, you guys. I mean, so much so that I'm afraid this right here, my Sony A7R Mark II, is going to become my B-cam. You know, this Sony has been fantastic. I love the full frame, love the in-body stabilization, but there's some things that I don't love about it. You know, it tops out 4K 30 frames per second, whereas the Fuji, the X-T3, is 4K 60 frames per second, and you can do that. You can record at up to 400 megabits per second. Go ahead and take a look here just at some B-roll of my dog in slow-mo jumping up trying to catch bees. Now this was shot in 1080p 120 frames per second. So fantastic. It actually keeps the slow-mo in the camera, so you don't have to go into your post editor of choice and slow that footage down. It's already ready for you. You know that the Fuji looks beautiful too. You know, it's got that old retro style look to it. It's got all of the knobs up top. So your ISO, your shutter speed, that is all up top. You can change your bracketing to, well, you can do bracket single shot. I'm sorry, you can do brackets single shot, continuous low, continuous high shooting, flip over to movie mode. You can change your spot metering, all with physical dials on the top of the camera. And not having to dig through a menu system for some of those settings, like brackets or changing your autofocus point, which the Fuji has a joystick for autofocus points. You know, it just makes it feel fun. And that's the biggest part about this Fuji X-T3. The autofocus has finally caught up, and it's fun, you know? I just find myself reaching for that camera, going out, shooting pictures. I can save those pictures to my dual SD card slots. Where are the dual SD card slots on this guy? I only see one there. Okay. You can save your photos to the excellent Fuji JPEGs. I'll throw a couple of those up right here, and you can just throw on your film simulation within the Fuji camera, and they just come out fantastic. So another big thing is the skin tones. The skin tones on the Fuji just look natural. You know, they're excellent. They rival the Canon color science and skin tones. On my Sony, on my A7R Mark II, and you know, I've had a Sony A7 Mark II. The skin tones, the color science is just, it's off. You know, skin tones look red. They don't look good at all. You know, they've got some catching up to there. If they can get that right, you know, I'm not getting rid of my Sony. I'm not getting rid of my lenses. You know, I'll keep this in mind for the future. I'm not married to any one brand, but this Fuji's winning me over, and I'm excited to see what I can do moving forward and here on out. So subscribe to the channel, click the bell, get my notifications whenever I post a new video. I know I haven't posted a lot recently, but have had a lot going on, and I'm really diving back in. So looking forward to sharing more content with you. And until then, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks. Bye.